Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are going to be making cinnamon rolls. This one is the Annie's brand. They're vegan, organic, and all that good stuff. So if you're like trying to go vegan and organic, Annie's brand, they have a lot of things. Like they have like those Cheeto puffs, they have macaroni and cheese, and I know this because I get that. They have like fruit snacks and all that good stuff. So if you want to see how we make cinnamon rolls, then just keep on watching. I just want to show you guys this puppy here, dog. Lady, come here. Y'all look how short her legs are. Sit.
Sit, lady.
Sit. High five. Good job. Look how cute her little legs are. She's short. She's a short puppies. Her name is Lady. She's a lady. She's got class.
She ain't a dirty skunk out right, baby. Ooh. Nasty.
We got babies over there.
Someone needs to go meet me.
Mine is this one.
Yeah.
And Cassie is the one that's on the baby bed.
Yeah.
And then this is Cassie's husband. Say what's up to the vlog.
You gotta have to put that blurry stuff right there.
She's so comfy looking. Okay, so we're gonna try these sour belts that we got from HEB. They are called what? Mean
Green sour apple belts.
They look like baby boo.
Just as they're long.
Oh yeah, because I think it's like Jeffree Star, how he is. Look how weird these are. They look like doo doo.
Babe, it turns like, oh my god, your tongue is so green.
What?
Go look.
What?
Can you let me see? Oh my god, I don't know. I ain't too late.
Oh hell no, I'm not putting this in my mouth.
It's sour. It's really not that
Go
sour.
look at your mouth. You could do all of your braces. Ew, I don't like them.
Oh my gosh, my teeth are green. I hope this doesn't stain. Do y'all have mouthwash? Cassie. These are okay.
Yeah, boy. Let me see. Hey, yours too. Look, there's nothing but that tooth. No, the friend, it's just that tooth. Look, that's green. Let me put that. Watch. Let me get my phone real quick. Nah, hold up. For real, it's one or two on me.
Right.
For real, I put that. Look, watch. Hold up. I know I ain't that high. Watch. Let me see that. Look, I'll put that. Look, you see that?
Oh my gosh, that was a fail. Oh, don't buy those candies from HEB, y'all. They're like from the Alamo or something.
Hey, you're not gonna have them then?
No.
Okay. I'm gonna get the kids now. I'm gonna be like, hey, I'm gonna turn it to Hulk. I'm gonna eat some and spit some out because I just spit it. That shit look green. Green bean.
Okay. You gotta take the little roll 'em up opera. You'll do that because that scares me. I don't like opening it.
Oh, I just. Well, damn, these are like really tight.
I think you need to like roll it.
You already did? No? Oh, I thought you already did. Oh.
Comes it over here. I don't. And then it pops. That popping just gives me, I don't know what.
Do we have to keep this one?
No, I already took it off. That's why I don't like that.
Damn, both of y'all two cooking? Oh, okay. I be baking those.
Wow, okay.
So I already took off the instruction things to it. And then there's like a little message. See, they have soup, they have cheddar bunny, they have mac and cheese. Yeah.
Sorry, I'm a little bit of a clean freak. So we use ham. What are we saying?
$3.50. Okay, so you're gonna take a little pan,
Let's take that.
and I'll let you do this. So Cassie's gonna show you how to do this, because I don't really bake these. I don't know how. So they have like the inside thing already in there.
We have a knife or something? Would that be better?
I guess these three are like stuck together. Like these other two on the side are going to be. So trendy.
Dang, this looks a lot in here.
I know.
Which one looks like it doesn't have none? This one?
That one.
This one?
So look at how trendy.
Good thing for that one,
So it comes in a little bag. There's 5. I called it on that one. Okay, wait, did you put the thing on there first?
No, I think you put it after. So it like melts in.
Oh my gosh, what happened? I just heard a... And I thought she burped or something.
So it's ready to go on the top shelf, does it say?
No.
For 18 minutes?
18 to 20. I guess depending on how gilled you want it.
18 and then check them in 2 minutes after.
So they are cooking. This is the first time Soap is on one of our little mini vlogs.
With them big old eyes.
Right. Oh goodness. She's gonna be a great YouTuber.
And that's how she feels about this.
She's like, I just want my cinnamon roll. Okay, so after they're done, we're gonna put this on it. This looks like a little bit.
I don't know, right? Are we supposed to like thin it out? Like, you know how some things you have to sit there and like massage it? Like knead it out or something? Like, every time I've made them, I always just like messed with it, I guess, just to get it more mixed in. Or like to mix everything in. I guess I don't know. I just do the weirdest things, I guess. You like my hair? Here. Yeah, you got.
No, you can't eat it. You can't eat that.
Oh,
No.
no, you have a grip with it.
Okay, so fast forward. We'll fast forward in 18 minutes and then check back in with you guys. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to. So I'm rinsed my
Oh,
mouth
you know what?
mouth with mouthwash and
So don't try that thing before.
Don't buy it. It's called Alamo something from HEB. It's like some candied candy. It has like tahini, right?
Yeah.
But they're green blue. Don't get them, they stain.
Bad. Like bad.
These Alamo Candy Company.
I mean,
Don't do it. They have other flavors and other like kind of these, but these are like the green ones, so don't buy these. I don't know about the other ones.
I'm sure if these stain, the other ones stain too.
So yeah, we will check in a few minutes. Okay, Cass is about to take them out so we can see how they look. Ooh, damn, they're kind of big.
This was at 16 minutes?
18.
18 minutes?
So I guess it's from 18 to 20 minutes, I guess just depending on like your liking. But those are pretty big cinnamon rolls.
Those look good.
Yum. Put the ass in. Are you gonna, like, should we do it like individually, like when you get
On the plate?
Actually, never mind. That one looks like the most seasoned.
Maybe I should have got tongs for this, but
Is it hot? Look at how fancy she is. Yum. She's about to ice my cinnamon roll. She's about to make it. Oh my lordy. Look at that. That looks bomb. Damn, that is iced.
she looks good.
Get yours so we can taste them. I've never had this brand in cinnamon rolls. I've had their like Cheeto Puff things, but never their cinnamon ones.
So you can have that little blue fork.
Okay, we set it here.
Black Friday.
Don't remind me because then I cry. Okay. Digging in. These are kind of crunchy. Or just the ends. They taste like those biscuit things. What are they? What is it called? It's those biscuit. Which one?
The blue.
Yeah, the blue can of the biscuits, like those fluffy ones. That's kind of what they taste like, just sweet.
But they're pretty good. I mean, they're not sweet, but they have a sweet taste to them. For them being gluten free and organic. But like,
They are so good.
and I'm a picky eater.
Switch to almond milk because it's better for her. She said no because cow milk tastes better.
Honestly, can I stop eating this? And I'm just gonna
Might be both. Yeah, this has no artificial flavors or preservatives. No high fruit. How do you say it? High fructose. High fructose corn syrup.
Pedro's on me because he's struggling.
That word, and then no hydrogenated. How do you say this? Hydrogenated. Hydrogen. That is pretty cool. So yeah, honestly, they are not bad. Hey, how do you make icing? Like, how do you make this icing? Can you like home make it? Home make it.
I can look it up.
Highly recommend trying this. If you're trying to find like a healthier version of anything, go with Annie's. Dude, the struggle is real. because I won't give her any. Do y'all see her? Look at her.
She's like licking her lips and her mouth is so watery.
Dude, I know. Jackie didn't do that. Jackie didn't care. This is not okay. Jackie was not like this. She did not give a crap. This one's gonna give me the gray hair.
Or $5 for some cinnamon
They're
rolls.
good for you. Ish.
It's as good as it's about to get.
Oh, you don't got almond.
You want formula or you want the regular milk?
You got almond milk. Y'all, please excuse our mess in the back.
Literally.
We tried to make something, but we didn't have a little something.
This is how you know we are just at home all the time. We don't do nothing. We don't even know how to make a mixed drink. You know how sad that is? That is not what our life used to be. Like,
Dude, but really, Mom, if you're watching this, I'm so sorry.
I am not a bad influence. That was all her ideas.
It was. That is so true. Mommy used to be bad.
Say, oh, I know, Mama. It's my turn.
Fat cheeks.
Girl, you want to see fat cheeks? Look at my kid over there.
Her son is such a handsome little boy.
He's so chunky. Probably. Girl, he can sit there and stare at him all day. Talk to me though. I change him. I feed him.
You birthed them.
I get up in the middle of the night with him and lose sleep.
And he wants his dad. Why is it that we be carrying these babies for almost 10 months?
Yes.
And we almost die for them, and they end up looking just like their papas.
You know how annoying that is?
It's very. Girl, I have two. That don't look nothing like me. So if you are pregnant out there, do not hate or get annoyed by your partner, because let me tell you,
Fact.
they do come out looking just like their dads.
Fact.
Or someone you don't like. Anyone in your family or the other person's family, because she has some things from her other side of the family. And I'm like, so what did you get for me? Because it's nothing. So yeah, that
But you
is,
just can't help but to love them little shits.
even though they look just like their dad or somebody else. Okay, so that,
Please.
I know the aftermath, I like licked my plate. I scraped that icing off. Literally.
Yeah, you did.
Well, it was bomb. Somebody wants to bite me. She has her two bottom teeth and she's been biting.
Hati. What's it doing? Look at the hair.
She has some crazy hair. Look at this.
Oh
Oh my god. You can see the red in
What can you do it? What you doing?
So that is it for today's video. Well, tonight, because it's like 10. I want to keep being, you know, like active or consistent or whatever. But like I've said, it's really hard. So yeah, that is it for tonight's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I do leave my socials somewhere on here. And yeah, follow me. Let's be friends. Keep subscribing, share, like I said, all the time. And yeah, so we shall be back with another video. Say bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye guys.